Sound Assistant is the advanced sound utility for your Galaxy device. This app gives you control over the sound volume, including options to change the volume of individual apps. Hey everyone, this is Sherry, and in today's video we will be looking at Sound Assistant, a module of Good Lock. You can directly download it from Galaxy Store as well. Okay, let's open up Sound Assistant and go through every option. Let's start with the customizing volume panel. Open it up, and at the bottom we can customize our volume panel. Tap on custom, and here we have options for standard panel and expanded panel. We can change the position of panel, change the layout from right to left. Also we can change the settings to show the volume level, and we can turn on the floating button for volume panel as well. In expanded panel mode, we can turn on different settings like Bluetooth metronome, show toolbar functions, and also the volume of every individual app. In toolbar functions, we have a set of options like panel settings, equalizer, closed captions, and Bluetooth connection. Okay, let's go back. Next thing we have is a theme for volume panel. We can choose from the recommended themes, or we can create our own here as we did in the quick start module. Next is the option to change volume for apps separately. All we have to do is to add that app here, and we can open up volume panel and we will be able to control volume of that app separately. Next is the control media volume option. So when this is on and we change the volume, it will change the volume of that media, not the ringtones. Media manner mode sets your media to mute if your phone is on silent or on vibration. Change step volume determines how many levels you want to change when you press the volume key. In media key shortcuts, we can set the volume keys to control music, and also we can set a favorite media app, so when we press multimedia keys on our connected headphones, it will start the app and play the music. Next is the Bluetooth metronome, which is used to sync the Bluetooth sound with the videos. Then in advanced settings, we can enable the option to get alerts through headphones. These alerts could be the ringtone, alarm, or notifications. Next option is to create a customized vibration pattern. You can create a vibration pattern for, let's say, a specific contact, so whenever the phone vibrates in that pattern, you will know whose notification is this. This feature has options for both ringtones and notifications. Next we have a really fun option, which is the voice changer. Turn that on and we can set it to always use sound effects. You can check all the effects by recording your sound, and you can use it for other apps as well to send voice notes like WhatsApp, etc. And last we have the option of multi-sound. We can add apps in here, and what it will do that it will let you play the sound from these apps at the same time. That's all about Sound Assistant. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comments down below. Thanks a lot for watching guys. Take care and stay safe, and I will see you in the next one.